Monday's precise and important news. DEB's inaugurated technical maintenance complex. DEB's CEO inaugurated technical maintenance complex worth 38 million Afghanis. The Director General of the Prime Minister's office met with the Norwegian delegation. The Chief of the Office of the Prime Minister, Dr. Mullah Abdulwasi, met with the head of the Norwegian committee alongside his accompanying delegation in Afghanistan. ARCS donates 4.5 million Afghanis cash assistance to earthquake-hit families. 4.5 million Afghanis were donated to the victims of the earthquake in Turkey by the Afghan Red Crescent Society. We fully support media and freedom of speech, says Ministry of Information and Culture. The Ministry of Information and Culture, in a statement released on the occasion of the International Radio Day, says that in the light of the religious and national values, we are committed to the full support of freedom of speech in all media, especially the radio section. Illegal weapons and ammunition discovered. Illegal weapons and military equipment discovered in Samangan province by the Intelligence Department of the said province. Agriculture Minister met with Kandahar's governor. The Acting Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock met with the governor of Kandahar province. A fresh consignment of $40 million has arrived. According to Afghanistan's central bank, another cash package of $40 million of the international community's humanitarian aid arrived in Kabul and deposited in one of the commercial banks in Kabul. The collection of drug addicts around Afghanistan continues. According to a statement of Interior Ministry, the anti-narcotics officials have collected 283 drug addicts from different areas of Nangarhar, Takhar and Faryab provinces and transferred to drug addiction treatment centers for treatment.